Wow, Mia, what a nice photo. Is that your family?
Yes, it is my family. We took this photo at my grandmother's birthday.
Oh, that's lovely. Who is the woman in the middle?
That's my grandmother. It was her birthday. And the man next to her is my grandfather.
They look happy. Who is that man in the blue shirt?
That's my Uncle Jack, my mother's brother. He is very funny.
And the woman next to him, is that his wife?
Yes, that's his wife, Aunt Mary. She is a teacher. Those two girls are their daughters.
Oh, they are so cute. What are their names?
The older girl is Amelia, and the younger one is Emma, just like you.
Really? That's funny. And who are these people on the right?
These are my parents, my dad Tom and my mom Sarah. And that's my brother Ben. He is 10 years old.
He looks funny. And is that your dog?
Yes, that's our dog Max. He always wants to be in every photo.
What a beautiful family, Mia.
Thanks, Emma. I love my family very much.